For the third and last activity for today, you are going to shape sort the shapes that we have been talking about. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil tool and you are going to trace the name of the shape. C-I-R-C-L-E. Spells circle. A circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices. So you're going to come over here and find the circle and you're going to move it to the box. Then you're going to get your pen. You'd have to get your finger tool to move it over to the box. Then you're going to go back to the pencil tool. You're going to trace the word with your pencil tool. S-Q-U-A-R-E. That spells square. So a square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to find the square and move it over to the box. Remember, you have to go back to the finger tool to move the shapes. Do that for all 4 shapes. Be sure to record your work and send it to your teacher.